Welcome to PrimePix Lab. The best Sierra headlight is probably one of the most critical components for safe driving, especially during nighttime or adverse weather. This video will dive deep into the world of 2013 GMC Sierra headlights, exploring various options, from bulb types to construction materials, and helping you make an informed decision for your truck. Let's illuminate the path to finding the perfect headlights. Number 5. OEDRO Headlight Assembly for GMC Sierra 1500 2500 HD 3500 HD. These OEDRO headlights are designed for 2007 to 2013 GMC Sierra 1500 and 2007 to 2014 Sierra 2500 HD 3500 HD models. Please note that it is not compatible with classic models. High beam uses 9005 HB3 bulbs, and low beam uses H11 bulbs. Bulbs are not included. The lights minimize glare for safer night driving. The stylish microprism reflectors make it easier to see other cars and pedestrians. This helps to improve visibility and safety on the road. The headlight assembly features a clear polycarbonate lens and a durable PC housing. This combination provides excellent resistance to heat, vibration, and dust. This ensures the product's longevity and performance. It is completely sealed with solid silicon and features a one-way vent to dissipate moisture. This design prevents corrosion and fogging in various weather conditions. This extends the lifespan of the product. Installation is straightforward with no modifications, cutting, or drilling required. The assembly functions just like the original headlights. Professional installation is highly recommended for the best results. What we like. This headlight assembly is designed for a wide range of GMC Sierra models, ensuring a perfect fit. It minimizes glare for safer night driving. If you often drive in various weather conditions, you'll appreciate its waterproof and durable design. This headlight is a great choice for those who prioritize safety and reliability. What people say. These are honestly beautiful. If you're willing to work with them and properly do it, then the ending will be worth it. Direct fit for the light fixture, but since my model did not have DRLs, I had to add a fuse tap to a switched source. Fuse 18 is a good one, room for the tap within the fuse box. Fit and fitment were good. Number 4. DWVO headlights for GMC Sierra 1500 2500 HD 3500 HD. These headlight assemblies are designed for 2007 to 2013 GMC Sierra 1500 and 2007 to 2014 Sierra 2500 HD 3500 HD models. Please note that it is not compatible with classic models. The high beam uses HB3 9005 bulbs, and the low beam uses H11 bulbs, but bulbs are not included. The integrated metallized reflectors enhance light distance. This feature improves visibility and driving safety, especially in low light conditions. This helps you see the road better. The fully sealed structure with solid silicon prevents moisture from entering. This design ensures reliable performance in various weather conditions, including rain, snow, and dust storms. This protects the internal components. Constructed with durable polycarbonate lenses, it offers great protection against road debris. The high-impact housing also better withstands shock and vibration, making it suitable for off-road adventures. This ensures longevity and durability. The headlights are a direct replacement for your existing ones. Professional installation is highly recommended. The package includes both the driver, left, and passenger, right, side headlights. What we like. This headlight assembly enhances visibility with improved illumination. The weather-sealed design ensures it can withstand rain, snow, and dust. If you frequently drive in challenging weather or on rough terrains, this headlight's impact-resistant build will give you peace of mind. Consider this if you need a durable and reliable lighting solution. What people say. Everything fit great, no fitment issues, and He3 and He4 are the bulbs. Runs OE size in the housing, so I dropped in my Beamtex and they adjusted with no problems. Perfect fit. Number 3. GMC Sierra 1500 2500 HD 3500 HD Headlight Assembly. This headlight assembly is designed for a perfect fit on your GMC Sierra 1500, 2500 HD, and 3500 HD models from 2007 to 2014. It's a direct replacement, ensuring easy installation. Experience significantly improved visibility with this headlight's high transmittance PC lens and UV coating. The design offers excellent durability and ultra-clear vision, making driving safer. Installing this headlight is a breeze with its plug-and-play design. No modifications are needed, saving you time and effort. This headlight is IP65 certified, featuring a watertight seal and heavy-duty housing. It's built to withstand the elements, ensuring safe driving even in rainy conditions. We stand behind this product with a lifetime service guarantee. You can expect a quick response to any questions and long-term support for your purchase. What we like. This headlight assembly offers a perfect OE fitment, ensuring easy installation. It provides ultra-clear vision with 200% brighter light output. If you're looking for a simple upgrade that significantly improves visibility, this is the perfect choice. It's ideal for those who want a hassle-free, brighter lighting solution. What people say. The headlights are a direct fit and look great. The lights are bright and the beam pattern is good. The installation was easy. Number 2. AKKON LED headlight for GMC Sierra 1500, 2500, 3500. Introducing the AKKON LED headlight, designed specifically for your GMC Sierra. This pair includes both the driver and passenger side lights, ensuring a complete upgrade for your vehicle. This product is brand new and comes in its original packaging. You can be assured that it has never been installed before, guaranteeing its quality and performance. These headlights are a direct bolt-on replacement, meaning no extra wiring or modifications are needed. It's designed for a hassle-free installation process. The AKKON LED headlight meets the standards of the Department of Transportation and the Society of Automotive Engineers. This ensures that it meets safety and quality standards. While the installation is straightforward, professional installation is recommended. This will help ensure the best possible fit and performance for your vehicle. What we like. This headlight features a stylish LED C-tube bar design. It's a direct bolt-on replacement, making installation straightforward. If you want a modern look with easy installation and DOTSAE approval, this is the one. If you like a sleek, updated appearance, you should consider this. What people say. They fit like the OEM. No problem and look great. So far, so good, no issues with the lights. Very easy to install. The C-shaped bar needs to be hardwired. Hot end ground wire. They looks amazing on my GMC 2500. Number 1. DNA motoring headlight assembly for GMC Sierra. This headlight assembly is designed for 07-13 GMC Sierra 1500 and 07-14 Sierra 2500 HD 3500 HD models. It's a perfect fit, ensuring easy installation and optimal performance. The assembly uses 9005 for high beam and H11 for low beam, with 3157A for turn signals. Please note that the bulbs are not included, so you'll need to reuse your existing ones. The package comes with a complete set of headlights, including both the driver and passenger sides. It's a great choice for show use or to replace your old, worn headlights. It's made of high-quality ABS plastic housing and a polycarbonate lens. This construction ensures long-lasting durability, providing you with reliable performance for years to come. This is a direct replacement, featuring a plug-and-play operation. It's designed for direct bolt-on OE fitment, making the installation process simple and straightforward. What we like. This headlight offers a plug-and-play operation for easy installation. It is designed for OE fitment, ensuring a perfect match. If you're looking for a simple, high-quality replacement, this is a great option. If you want a reliable and easy-to-install headlight, you should consider it. What people say. Makes my vehicle look like a newer model, and most of all the reflection from the chrome assembly it lights better than the OEM. Fit perfectly and look great. Fit good in a 2008 GMC 3500. Looks good. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.